Hey guys, in your Windows PC or computer, two-finger scroll is not working on your mousepad. Then I have some solutions to fix this issue. Just go to the control panel. From the control panel, go to the hardware and sound. In the device and pointer section, you will see the option mouse. Just click on it. Just switch to the pointers tab and select any other scheme. For example, I'm going to select this one. Now click on apply and click on OK button. Close this window and check that if your issue is fixed or not. Again, go to the control panel. Click on hardware and sound. Click on mouse. Just switch to the E-line tab. Click on options. Just switch to the multi-fingers. And here you have to enable this option from the configure. Just click on apply. Click on OK. And check that the issue is fixed or not. If the issue is still there, two finger or tap is not working in your mouse pad, then again go to the control panel. Again go to the mouse and reach to the hardware tab and select your input device and click on properties. Go to the driver tab. Here you can see that the driver details. Here, if the update driver button is enabled, then please make sure that your driver is up to date. Just click on update driver and click on OK button, and then restart your PC and then check that the issue is fixed or not. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching.